Ladies and gentlemen, another workshop in a different technique, not necessarily a photography workshop, but it's a collage. A collage that was instructed by tadeusz sawa-borysławski. It was the most numerous workshop in terms of photography and plastic activity. There were 18 participants, which is why the collection is so huge. And these collages were created during one meeting, and I would like to give the floor to the host of the workshop. Anna said the most important thing, that the collages were created during one meeting. There were two most interesting techniques of approaching the collage. The first one was applied in the window gallery, and it was done with scissors and paper, and the knowledge of the composition is in the scissors, because we don't know what is going to be created. Somebody brought a few magazines, a few old newspapers. They start to create something, glue one piece to another. Another technique is when you try to look for some bases, or you conceive an idea to which you add other elements. We didn't have time, and I'm really impressed by the result of the workshop, and I would like to thank the participants and appreciate their work, because during just a few hours they managed to find the right material and create a finished work. Here on the wall we can see them put through a scanner, because well, computer technology is often used because it helps you to uniform the format, and it helps you uniform the technique. So all in all, it is some kind of a different picture than the one which is cut live, if I can put it that way. Here we can see already finished object looking as if it was printed, and I think it's a good way to say whether a work is successful or not. And after you have scanned it, you can see the depth of the image, and I'm very happy with the number of works, with the attendance. And we can see what great capabilities lie within glue and scissors. We might say that we can achieve the same result with a computer. Well, yes and no, because the computer tempts us to zoom in, zoom out, to enlarge, to change the color of certain elements. Here the situation is slightly more difficult. Once you glue something onto paper, you can't change it, the format remains unchanged, and you need to combine something. You can see that sometimes, like in the first collage, the lips do not fit the mouth, they are too big, and this is something you can't see, because the artist is surprised in the process with the situation they come across, given the scarcity of materials or inadequacy of elements. Sorry for making it an instant workshop, but maybe because of that we created so many various works, because none of them is similar to another. Thank you very much for this opportunity. We would like to invite the 18 participants. We don't want to force you to come across. Emilka Kusznina, skrzypacz, Weronika Witowska, Witold Cholewa, reporter, Karolina Kończyńska, Beata Łysiak, Dariusz Olechno, Uta Kurcel, Anna Łysiak, Natalia Janczycka. I think we are short of a few people, but I would like to underline that all of the works are subscribed, and you can find the authors among the crowd. A round of applause for the artists. A round of applause for the host of the workshop and the creators. I would also like to say that the workshop itself was preceded by a presentation, a multimedia presentation in which Tadeusz talked about the history of collage and the different forms of collage implemented in the creative process. Thank you very much.